Hello guys and welcome to Elexhub YouTube channel. Another day, another tutorial from Elexhub Engineering Department. Ang tatalakayin natin ngayong araw ay kung ano ang peristaltic pump at kung paano ito gamitin gamit ang Arduino Uno RT. Ang peristaltic pump ay isang uri ng pump that does not contaminate the liquid dahil gumagamit ito ng rollers to push the liquid through a flexible tube. Sa loob ng peristaltic pump ay merong rollers that spin while pushing against the flexible tube, forcing the liquid or air to move along. The motor driving the rollers is commonly a DC motor. Ang gagamitin natin na peristaltic pump ay gumagamit ng 12 volts DC motor. The rollers only make contact with the outside of the tube. Furthermore, the peristaltic pump delivers a highly precise and consistent flow rate, ensuring that the same volume of liquid is dispensed each time over a specified duration, making this ideal for beverage dispensers and medical equipment as there is no risk of contamination and high control of flow rate. Para naman sa wiring connection, gagamit tayo ng 5V relay module upang makontrol ang peristaltic pump with Arduino Uno R3. Mula sa 5V relay module input terminals to Arduino Uno R3, i-connect ang negative pin sa ground pin, i-connect ang positive pin sa 5V pin, at ang huli ay i-connect ang signal pin sa digital pin 3. Para naman sa 5V relay module output terminals, 12V DC motor and power supply, i-connect ang negative terminal ng 12V DC motor sa ground ng power supply, connect ang positive terminal ng 12V DC, ang terminal with a red dot indicator, sa normally open terminal ng 5V relay module. At ang huli ay i-connect ang positive bar mula sa power supply to common terminal ng 5V relay module. Magpatungo naman tayo sa sketch ng Arduino Uno R3. Define the connected digital pin of relay module, proceeding to set a function, set the pin mode of relay as output, proceeding to loop function. These lines of code are to turn on or off the peristaltic pump alternatively every 5 seconds.
Dito na nagtatapos ang ating project. Sana marami kayong natutunan sa tutorial na ito. To learn more, subscribe to Elexhub YouTube channel. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!